Words for the 39th Siyam Rambam, as we're concluding it on Shiva Vasar Tammuz, and with the beginning on Chai Tammuz, the life of Tammuz, the Chodesh HaGeulah, and then the conclusion is next year Gimel Tammuz. We're hoping, then praying, that we'll have the Siyum in Yisroel Miraculous with Moshiach Tzidkenu. Here's 14 great reasons and benefits from learning Rambam. There's many more, but here's 14 for starters. And we have the Mara Mekaymas, but here they are. For one, it brings Achdus Yisroel, unity of the Jewish people together, which is phenomenal, which is how we bring Mashiach. Another one is, you learn the Rambam, those 1,000 chapters and 83 sweet sections and 14 phenomenal books. You're getting a complete knowledge of all the Torah laws. Next one is that you're fulfilling all of the Torah laws through studying the laws. In other words, when you study Torah, it's as if, in a certain dimension, that you're actually doing the mitzvah that you have been studying about. So when you study the Rambam, you're thereby actually fulfilling all the mitzvahs of the Torah. That's huge. Another thing is, the Rambam is pure miraculous. In fact, the Rambam is Rashi Tevis Revois Moshiach b'aretz m'tzrim, so that my miracles will be huge and a lot in the land of Egypt. Even in the lowest of the low, M'tzrim, b'a'rets, even there, when we learn Rambam, we thereby bring miracles. The Rebbe associates learning Rambam with huge miracles. First and foremost, the miracle of Mashiach's coming now, and miracles of having babies and wealth and health and happiness. Rambam brings clarity in life. Rambam is the guide to the perplexed of all the generations. We can all use more clarity in life. Can you name 3 things that extra clarity will do for you? There's a lot more than 3, but 3 is a good start. Learn Rambam, you have clarity. Achdus, connection to the Rebbe. You learn Rambam, you have connection to the Rebbe. This is so important, this campaign. The Rebbe's Maskirim would ask people when they bring out settlers about the Rambam, if it went on top of the whole pile of letters and notes of all kinds of emergencies that were the Rebbe's secretaries. These rabbis had instructions from the Rebbe of what goes first and the priority. They would actually take your note and put it in a certain place inside this pile of letters going to the Rebbe. If it was about the Rambam, it went on top of the whole pile. Just to show you how important learning Rambam is to the Rebbe and to you and me and all of us. This is the Rambam's vision of his Mishneh Torah, that we should all study it. Kakotin kagadol, from the smallest amongst us to the greatest amongst us. It's written b'lashon sachar, clear and crisp language that you just learn Torah Shebiksa, the 5 books of Moses. You go right into this. You get Torah Shabbat Perkula. Halachis, all the halachas, addressing every aspect of the entire creation of Hashem, elevating it. I actually want to add that Yishvat, before the campaign in 1983, the Rebbe spoke in the Maimer of Basi Legani that when we learn Hilchos Avodah Zarah, we're thereby even elevating the sparks of godliness that's found in idolatry. The only way to elevate it is by breaking it or by learning the laws of Avodah Zarah. And what do you know? Around a year later, the Rebbe came out with a campaign of learning Rambam, which includes the laws of Avodah Zarah. Where else do you find all the laws of the whole Torah? Nowhere else. Only in the Rambam's Mishneh Torah. When we learn the halachas of the Torah, we hasten the coming of Moshiach Now. Because there's something special about Mishnayos, which is just, here's what you got to do. And the Rambam, here's the laws without reason, here's what you got to do. It's lichatchila riber, as the Rebbe describes it. This is what you got to do. Once you start explaining things, then you're inviting an argument. There's no explanation. This is what we're doing. This is how it's done. Zell. That's it. Another great benefit of learning Rambam is less hassle. We all want less hassle, right? Adam la'amol nivra, Adam la'alam yivaled. Man was born, especially Yidden, to work hard. Says the Rebbe, we have libun hilchasa, that the refining and bringing out the halacha. You're then freeing yourself from having to have that hard toil in this world and hassle, and thereby, because you already toiled, you studied your Rambam, you toiled, you already toiled. And another thing the Rebbe said is we wake up the world through this storm and alarm of Rambam. The world's asleep. We got to wake it up. By this Rambam campaign, we wake this whole world up. That's what we do. Say. To learn Rambam, wake up the world. That's what we got to do. Learning the Rambam's Mishneh Torah brings lichatchila blessings to all of us. In fact, the Rebbe said the campaign of learning Rambam was actually a lichatchila Rebbe activity for himself. He exceeded beyond his expectations, and the Rambam is lichatchila Rebbe, where he says, "That's what you got to do." Is lichatchila Rebbe approach to life. The Rambam was a great Kabbalist, a Mekubal. The Rebbe quotes the Friedrich Rebbe, quoting the Baal Shem Tov, the Rambam is given a grace Mekubal. A lot of the Rambam is actually word for word translated from the Zohar HaKadosh. So we're learning and connecting mystically things beyond us. There's stories of the Halakha Baal Shem Tov, Reb Chaim Rappaport sending him to learn Rambam in a certain place, Hilchas Brachas, to bring Moshiach, to bring a Yid to Tshuva. Another thing is, right? When we speak, when we talk, we move our lips and we make great waves and vibrations in this world. It says in Pirkei Avos that when we learned the person, the great tzaddik whose Torah we're learning is learning with us, and it says that their lips are moving in the grave. So what happens is, at the Rambam's oil, when we're learning his teachings, his lips are moving, and any movement in this universe creates waves. So that's some very good waves we're creating by learning Rambam. And the Rebbe Marash Balchat Rebbe explains that the world will be filled with knowledge of God as the waters cover the sea. It precedes the prophecy of Goraz Eivim Keves about how the wolf will live with the lamb, and the lion will be eating straw, like with the cattle. It's a result of this higher level of das that comes on down by us learning Rambam. So especially the Bachrim, Chevre, the Rebbe, the last Yechidus so far to the Bachrim was a lot about Rambam, and how much the Rebbe wants you to learn Rambam. So learn your Rambam, bam bidi bidi bam, every single day. Learn your Rambam, bam bidi bidi bam, every single day. There will be a special prize for people who will create a nice video with many different people saying these different great reasons for learning Rambam. And go to myrambam.com for more details. Thank you. We want Moshiach now.